Cannot change password on ANZ Securities NZ Fix. If you've been trying to change your password on ANZ Securities NZ and it just won't work, don't worry, you're not the only one. Many users get stuck at this step, but the surprising truth is that ANZ's password update system works differently than most platforms. Here's how to fix it quickly and safely. First, you can't change your ANZ Securities password directly from the logged-in dashboard. Instead, you need to go through their official password reset link from the login page. Start by logging out completely. On the login screen, click Forgot Password. Enter the email address connected to your ANZ Securities account and hit Submit. You'll receive an email shortly with a secure reset link. Here's the important part: that link expires within 15 minutes, so make sure to open it immediately. If you can't find the email, check your junk or spam folder or search ANZ Password Reset. When you open the link, you'll be taken to a secure page to set your new password. ANZ requires it to be at least 8 characters long, with a mix of uppercase, lowercase, numbers and a symbol. Avoid using old passwords or anything too simple. The system might silently reject it. After updating your password, return to the login page and sign in again using your new credentials. If you still can't access your account, clear your browser cache or try logging in from a private window. So, if you can't change your password on ANZ Securities NZ, it's not a glitch, it's part of the platform's built-in security process. Follow these steps carefully and you'll have your password reset and your account secure in just a few minutes.